Hello everyone! Next we are going to make 4 types of popsicles, starting by making the regular one with the stick. We're gonna move ahead towards the next one, which is in the oval shape, and making some curved lines on it. And then we're gonna move ahead towards the third one, which is of a watermelon themed, and then we're gonna draw the detailings on it as well. And then at last we are going to make a simple popsicle as well. Next we are going to make a giraffe, starting by making its face by using our hands. We're gonna just move ahead towards the detailings like the eyes, and then we're gonna detail the eyes as well. After that we will make its mouth along with the cute tongue, and then we're gonna make the spots on it, and then we are going to color it by using the yellow color, or you can use any type of color you want, and then you can see a cute giraffe is completed. Let's move ahead towards our next drawing. Here we are making the scenery including a house. Starting by making the house itself, we are going to make the round window and a door. After it is ready, we are going to move ahead towards the surrounding. First we are making a pathway, then we are going to make the tree and the wooden fencing as well. At last we are going to make a sun. Now we are going to color it with variety of colors. Next we are going to make a cake themed house, starting by making the top of the cake along with these beautiful candles. We're gonna make the structure of the house as well. We are going to make the doors and the windows. When it's ready, we are going to make some features like strawberries and cherries on the cake. Now we are going to color it with different color combinations. Here we have used sketch pens, but you can use any color you want. Here we are using green color for the top of the cake, and then the pink color for the structure of this house, and then you can see it is looking so good and beautiful.